To validate a Google Analytics account, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure that your account is set up correctly and tracking data accurately. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. This involves going to the Google Analytics website and signing in with your Google account. Then clicking on the admin button and selecting Create Property. You will be asked to provide some basic information about your website, such as the website name and URL. Once you have created a property, you will be given a tracking ID, which is a unique code that you need to add to your website. This code is usually added to the header or footer of your website and is used to track user interactions. After adding the tracking ID to your website, you need to verify that it is working correctly. You can do this by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics, which show you the number of users currently on your website and the pages they are viewing. If you see data in the real-time reports, then you know that the tracking ID is working correctly. Another way to validate your Google Analytics account is to check the data in the standard reports, such as the audience report and the acquisition report. These reports provide more detailed information about your website traffic, such as the number of sessions, bounce rate, and traffic sources. If the data in these reports looks accurate and consistent, then you can be confident that your Google Analytics account is set up correctly. It is also important to set up goals and events in Google Analytics, which allow you to track specific user interactions, such as form submissions and button clicks. This data can be used to measure the effectiveness of your website and marketing campaigns. To set up goals and events, you need to go to the admin section of Google Analytics and click on the Goals or Events tab. Then, you need to define the goal or event that you want to track, such as a thank you page or a specific button click. Once you have set up goals and events, you can view the data in the standard reports, which will show you the number of conversions and the conversion rate. Finally, it is a good idea to regularly review your Google Analytics data to ensure that it is accurate and consistent. You can do this by checking the data in the standard reports and looking for any discrepancies or anomalies. You should also regularly check that the tracking ID is still working correctly and that the data is being collected accurately. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics account is set up correctly and that you are collecting accurate and reliable data. This data can be used to measure the effectiveness of your website and marketing campaigns, and to make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.